Today, we're diving into the Prime B450M-K ATX motherboard from Asustek computer. This powerhouse of a motherboard packs a punch with its comprehensive cooling system, ensuring that your system stays cool even under heavy loads. Equipped with a PCH heatsink and expert fan, you can trust that your components are well protected from overheating. But cooling isn't the only thing this motherboard has to offer. With ultra-fast connectivity options like M.2 support, 1GB Ethernet, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, you'll experience lightning-fast data transfer speeds and seamless connectivity. The Prime B450M-K ATX doesn't compromise on security either. With 5x Protection 3, your hardware is safeguarded with multiple protection devices, providing all-round system protection for your peace of mind. And let's not forget about aesthetics. This motherboard features LED lighting control for PCIe slots and audio trace pads, allowing you to customize the look of your build to match your style. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, the Prime B450M-K ATX motherboard is compatible with a wide range of devices, making it the perfect choice for your next PC build. With its AMD B450 chipset and support for DDR4 RAM, you can expect top-notch performance and reliability. In conclusion, the Prime B450M-K ATX motherboard from Asustek computer offers an unbeatable combination of performance, connectivity, and security, making it the ultimate choice for your PC build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.